go.
Oh, that's big.
Now we gotta bait it up. Wow, Eli, I gotta say that's one of the biggest I've ever seen.
Get it going. Get it going. They're following it.
Oh, fatty. Not really, but it's okay.
Cast up into the shallow. A real perch.
Put off to the side on that one, Andy. It's just a big dolphin.
Just a mini.
Oh, it's a perch.
It's a mini.
Wow. Oh, that thing. Sculpin, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. Boy, they are biting good today. Look at that.
We got one of those tanks.
Nice
Oh,
fatty.
Oh, he's barely hooked. Hanging by a thread.
Nice one.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. We want all of it to be that size.
Dancer.
Cool.
Thought you said I was getting a bite.
You were.
Every time I looked up, there was nothing on there.
Well,
Time.
these are good sized ones today, huh?
Yeah, big fatties.
Get that one.
Over. Oh, big old perch.
Right about here, you want to get about 5 feet of line out, and then you just want to lift them over the rail.
Good job, Anderson.
You got one on now. You got one on
Oh,
there.
boy.
Let's cut him up. Which one is it? This guy?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at this! Wow. You ought to save that one for your scoring thing you do. You get a little gas money today, not much. It's all good. We didn't spend much expenditures today. Eli got the bait.
Whack these up. All right.
Yeah.
Perch is a sweet, lightly sweet, very delicate meat. It doesn't have a whole lot of flavor, but so that's what I'm doing, a potato dish with it, because potatoes are mild too. See if we can bring the fish out and make it a star of the dish, as they say. So we're gonna put a lot of perch in there. It's kind of a Scandinavian style, right? Fish and taters together. Sounds good to me. We'll go back like that. And that's cooled off. Now we can start it heating up again and add our cream and our cheese to make just a mild cheese sauce. Way slippery. Give it a little tumble. Work it. A layer of this, and a layer of the meat, and a layer of potatoes again. And this will be the middle layer with the fish. The last part's gonna be the hard. Okay, now large chunks of fish. Oh yeah. I think I did use like 5 fillets this time. It's probably, what, 2 pounds of perch in there. That's pretty good. Drizzle over. Mashed potatoes in a bag. We'll cut off a little corner. And we'll start packing. And most of them say though. I did like you said. It's mixed with, I got a little bit of panko and a little bit of sourdough and some olive oil. I'm just working them in so that get a little light saturation on the bread, yeah, so it doesn't
crunchy.
Yeah, it won't just dry out instead.
You could have spelled out your name.
Crisscross it with our names. Oopsie, the dog's gonna love that. Think?
Yeah,
looks
let's
good
go.
enough? All right. I'm gonna go 350 for like 45 minutes before I even worry about it. Burn your fingers up. Sheperch pie. I wonder. It just might taste good. I don't know. We're gonna have to let it rest this time. This one time. So yeah, I layered taters on the bottom because I didn't want it to stick. Seemed to work okay. Let's say I'm gonna eat it anyway though. Like I said, we don't ever wait for things to set up around here.
We tried to wait.
We tried this time. We tried. We failed.
Yeah, but that looks like a success right there. That looks so good.
Which part should I try?
Crusty top, crusty top.
Crusty top. Ooh, it is crunchy. I wanted a crunch. That was important. Didn't get much fish in that bite. We'll go in for a little more. It does the fish justice, you know what I mean? You can taste the fish. It's not overpowering.
Okay, good.
That's important to me. For this kind of fish, I didn't want to overpower it with everything.
Let's see a chunk of fish.
You don't hang out with a lot of people.